Hi guys, so we're at my shack bench at the moment, which is a bit cluttered because I'm doing all sorts and working so much I'm not having time to finish these all sorts off. So we've got my test equipment up here. So I've got a signal generator. It's currently set to CB channel 20 or as close as it will go to that. Frequency counter, it's not been on that long so it wouldn't be very accurate. It's got the connection into its B input at the moment because I've been testing frequencies on the Motorola GM350. As you know, there's something slightly amiss with that. So I am working on getting that going, as you'll have seen. It's got some trimming tools there, some more behind there. This one, I'll grab that and I'll show you that. Because you've probably seen this one before, it's not going to focus on that. This is a bit of a rough and ready video. So if I can get that to focus, will it focus? It kind of doesn't. But this one's a 3D printed one that I did for adjusting the 3 power output cores in the back of Cybernet 134 radios. Let's try and get that out again. So it's for adjusting those 3 adjustments in the power amplifier stage of a Cybernet 134 boarded CB radio. I've got 2 of them. One of them really doesn't work, and the other one does work, but one of the cores is broken. So I'm not 100% sure what to do at this stage because I've not had time to sit down and look at the problem. So power supply there that I'm working on repairing. So quite a lot of things go on this bench other than operating radio. My 991A would go there if I had it in here. It's currently still in the box from the 145 Alive actually. It's not been got out since. So this bench does get a bit cluttered. So got this CB here that I use for various CB related tests. This is my trusty Zitagi meter. It's connected to the GM350, so it'll never measure the power measurement correctly on it. That'll just swing straight across because this radio is on 70 megs and this only reads power between 26 and 30. But the SWR is valid from 3 to 200, so it'll check the SWR on that and it should read nothing because it's just got a dummy load onto it, on which that red clip is connected, which goes to the frequency counter. And there's the GM350 that I'm working on. I just need to get the programming situation sorted for that, which I'm working on behind the scenes. So I have ordered another piece of test equipment, which I'm thinking of putting up here, if I can. I'm not going to say too much about what it is, just in case it doesn't come through, but I think it will, because it's from someone quite reputable, and hopefully, with a bit of luck, I managed to order it in time before he ran out of stock. Now, it's made by a fellow YouTuber. I'm not going to say which YouTuber it is just yet, but you might guess where this is going anyway. And it is a meter device. Not one of these. Not one of these. Certainly not one of these. And nothing like that either. So it's for measuring something, and it will go here next to the signal generator, and that's just there on top of the Bremi power supply, which is currently waiting for me to order some capacitors to change. So up here with that there, that here. So there we go. That should be coming soon to the channel, and I will tell you what it is when it arrives. I won't monetize the video of it when it arrives because it was made by a fellow YouTuber, and you know I don't want to profit off something that I've bought off him. So any video that features in, it won't get monetized, basically. I'm not sure how long this has been on, so I'm just going to key this up anyway, just to see where we are with it. Yeah, it's still showing 74.25 and it's still receiving on 74.75. So, I'm looking forward to having a look at the Motorola RSS for that. And I'll try and get this bench tidied up, so get it organised, ready for when the new item arrives. So I'll catch you in the next one.